In this video we're going to see how to register to Verse Network. Once you have clicked on your referral link, you will come to this page. Just enter your full name. Select your country. Write your email. Write a username and create a password. The password should be 8 characters, uppercase letters, and numbers. Write your password again for confirmation. Invent a PIN code between 4 and 6 digits. Confirm your PIN code and click on Register. Now you will have to sign in using your email and password you entered before. You are now inside of Verse Network. The first thing to do is to go on the upper right corner, click on the image and click My Profile. Now you have your personal information, and the first thing to do to ensure the security of your account is to go down to Security and click onto FA. Now from your Google Authentication app, just scan the QR code or copy the key password and add a name for this account. Now click on Add. Once it's done, just copy your code from the Google Authenticator app. Go back to the Verse Network website and paste your 2FA code. Now click on Activate 2FA. You will now have a pop-up message saying that your 2FA security has been activated. Your account is now safe, and now the last thing to do is to go back to your dashboard and click on Telegram group channel to join our community channel where we share all the information about Verse Network. In this video we'll show you how to deposit fund into your Verse Network account. So first you are going to open the tabs and click on Deposit. Here you will just have to click on Deposit and you have the choice between crypto and credit card. Let's try crypto first. So you enter the amount you want to deposit, you click on Request Deposit. Here you have the address. You will need to send USDT on the TRC20, so you can copy the address above or scan the QR code. Once you have sent the funds from your crypto wallet, you will just have to click on I transfer the amount. You also have the choice to deposit via credit card, so click on Credit Card. Enter the amount you want to deposit and click on Request Deposit. On this page, you will just have to click on Proceed to Payment. On this page, you will just have to click on Buy Crypto with Visa MasterCard. Here you want to select how you want to add phones. So with Google Pay, Visa and MasterCard, or Apple Pay, in our case we are going to choose Visa and MasterCard. We are going to click on I have read and agreed to personal data processing and click to continue here. It will auto-fill your detail. So just click on I have full access to the inserted wallet address and click on Set Details. Here just enter your email address, click on Send Code and just enter the code you received by email. Now you have to verify your identity. So select your country. Click on Next. Check both of the checkbox below. Click on Next. Here select the country that issued your document and click on the document type. For our example, it will be the passport. Now you will just have to take a photo of your passport, and the photo should be bright and clear and uncut. To see your old document, now click on Next, and here you will just have to make a little selfie to ensure your identity. So now your verification is successful. Here you would just have to put your name, your surname, your address, and your occupation. Click on Save. Here you will just have to put your card detail. So enter your card number, the expiry date in the card, security code, and click on Pay. Here you just have to click on confirm payment. So now they have received your payment. They will now exchanging your payment into crypto. Stay on this page, so once they are done you have this message success. Wait a few seconds and then your payment is now success. So you just have to click on pay with purchase crypto. So success, your payment was sent to the merchant. Now you can go back to your Verse Network account. On your Verse Network account, just click on wallet and deposit to see now in the history your payment is now confirmed. It will soon be finalized and you will have your fund into your deposit account in the dashboard.